Today we're going to be showing you how to perform ECU Programmer on your Fitech EFI handheld. As you can see, we've got some crazy values right now. This will take care of those. First off, you want to go to your main menu and find Display Setup. You'll go ahead and you'll click OK on this to go into this menu. Once you're here, you'll find ECU Programmer. Mine is currently already on show, so I'll toggle it to hide. And you want to toggle it to show with the right arrow button. Then you'll hit OK. From here, you'll scroll down and find ECU Programmer on your main menu and hit OK. You'll see a hex file here. Yours will be different than mine in most cases. You'll hit OK on that and it'll show press button to start. You'll hit the OK button one more time and this will begin the software download that will force update your ECU with whatever file is on your handheld. Make sure that this is the correct file for the ECU that you are working with, or you could damage that ECU. I've sped up this process to make sure it's a little bit faster on screen so we don't waste a bunch of time on the video. Once this goes to 100%, what we're going to do is back out of this menu. Do not hit OK again. It says succeed counter 1, which means it's done with that. Back out, and then what we're going to do is cycle the key off. Give it about 10 seconds with the key off, and then you will unplug the handheld and re-plug that handheld back in. This allows you to re-communicate with that ECU without that ECU being disconnected from it. It will not communicate when you try to go back into that menu. So you want to unplug it and then plug it back in, let everything boot back up, and then you'll cycle your key back on. Everything will communicate as normal. As you can see, we've got values here now that our key's back on. And now if we go into our engine setup, all of those data values are now normal values. They're not anything crazy like they were before. Thanks for watching.